objectives. First is to analyze the impact of sports and physical activities on individual self-identity, considering both positive and negative influences. Second, to evaluate the role of social dynamics, expectations, and relationships within sports in shaping self-perception and behavior. For our third is to assess how sports contribute to the development of character, self-esteem, and social skills, providing a holistic view of personal growth. And lastly is to investigate how significant successes or failures in sports and fitness can lead to shifts in self-identity, examining the psychological and emotional factors involved.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of sports to uncover how it shaped who we are. We'll be interviewing athletes, exploring their personal stories, and examining the sociological forces that influence their self-identity through physical activity. Now, let's meet the athletes who will be sharing their experiences and insight with us today.
Question number 1 po, how has participating sports or physical activities shape your sense of who you are?
Pag naglaro ko kasi ng sports, syempre may mga kasama kong ibang tao. Iba-iba yung ugali natin sa loob ng court. Siguro na-shape niya ako kasi natuto ako makipag-communicate sa bawat isa sa kanila. Yun, natulungan niya ako para mas lumawak yung kaalaman ko sa sports.
Oh, I had an interview na ganun same question. Pero siguro na-shape ng sports na mga personality ko of how I cope sa mga nangyayari sa life ko. And nag-add talaga siya ng confidence. Kasi before, hindi ako nag-ano ng mga sports like this. Talagang, parang shy type sobrang shy type. And then, I don't know how to makipag-interact sa other people. And when I became a player, then nag-start na magkaroon ko ng confidence since marami ka nakakasalubong ng iba't ibang players. And then, yan, nag-start.
Nababago po nito yung pananaw ko sa sarili sa madaming paraan. Ano dito yung parang natutunan ko magtiwala sa sarili and tumataas din yung kumpiyansa ko every time na naglalaro ako ng volleyball.
Can you describe a time when sports help you feel more confident or more connected to others? How do you think the expectation of coaches, teammates, or society have influenced your behavior and self-perception in sports? a significant shift in your self-identity as a result of a success or failure in sports. Can you describe that experience? For the last question po, how do you think sports and physical activities contribute to the development of a person's overall character, self-esteem, and social skills?
Na binigyan niya ako ng confidence and yung respect sa lahat ng makakasama ko sa team. And lalo na yung time balance, pagbabalance ng time. Siyempre, as student athlete, mahirap yun. Ayun, marami akong natutunan. And siguro thankful ako din dahil nagagawa ko siya ngayon, nakakapag-train ako ng mga
Sobrang laki na naging addition talaga ng sport ng volleyball sa buhay ko. Since sasabi ko nga kanina na ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng kumpiyansa para maging ako ngayon. And then, if iisipin ko kung hindi ako naging player, siguro ako pa rin yung normal student before na mahiyain, na natatakot ako sa sarili ng ibang tao. But now, after all what I have been through, talagang ups and downs, parang ngayon I can say that I am more braver and stronger. Kahit ano pa yung challenges na yan. As long as my teammates are there, my family is there. Ayun. Basta naglalaro ng volleyball. Though hindi naman siya pang lifetime talaga ang volleyball, pero kapag ka na-experience ka kasi ng sports, parang you will bring it hanggang pagtanda.
I-develop po ito kapag nagkakaroon po ako ng tiwala ko sa sarili and natututunan ko din po makipag-communicate sa mga nakakasalubong. Yan.